So I'm over here with the Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer 5.4 2003, and I want to change the rear light, the cargo light, and I've seen a couple of videos of people doing it but not actually showing how to do it. So you got this tab over here, and there's one tab over here and another one here. So, you know, I want to change the light bulb, but the tricky part is getting this thing out. So I'm going to show you how to do it. This latch over here, this is where you stick your screwdriver, your flat screwdriver. It's a small small screwdriver. And what you want to do, you want to pull. And you see that little tab? You don't want to push it, you want to pull it with your flat screwdriver towards you. So you're gonna get deep in there, and that little tab right there, that plastic tab, you want to stick your screwdriver and pull it towards me. So I'm over here, I want to pull it towards me instead of towards the front. So to pull it towards the back. Hopefully I can do this while recording. There it is. So now that we have this one loose, okay, what you want to do is just wiggle it around, and then the ones in the front are going to come apart. And here's the light, and as you can see, nothing's broken. So okay, so then I want to go right behind this light bulb and just pull it down, right, and then replace your bulb. So then you grab your new one and you just stick it in there, test it, and it works. Okay, awesome. So I want to grab my cover and just align it with, and just push. That's it.